Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato pesto pasta, full guide. Start by chopping tomatoes and basil, then toast pine nuts lightly. Heat olive oil and gently cook garlic without browning. Blend half the tomatoes with basil, nuts, parmesan, and oil until smooth, leaving some tomatoes chunky for texture. Cook pasta to al dente, toss with pesto and reserved pasta water, and finish with extra cheese and fresh basil. Begin by pulsing ripe tomatoes with basil, pine nuts, parmesan, garlic, and olive oil to your preferred texture. Taste and season with salt, pepper, and a small squeeze of lemon or splash of vinegar to lift flavors. Slowly add reserved pasta water a tablespoon at a time to reach a silky, clingy sauce that coats pasta evenly. Keep some tomatoes chunky for contrast, and finish with a drizzle of good olive oil. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy cooking videos. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort that lasts longer than your sauce simmer. I find them cozy during long cooking sessions, and they hold up wash after wash. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. Cook pasta to al dente and reserve about 1 cup of starchy pasta water before draining. Return the drained pasta to a warm pan, add the tomato pesto, and toss vigorously while adding small amounts of reserved water until the sauce clings well. This emulsification creates a glossy coating and even flavor distribution. Plate immediately, top with extra grated parmesan and torn basil, and serve while hot for best texture and aroma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.